Today we are going to discussing about the GATE Life Science paper. There will be two compulsory paper that will be in life science. The first one is graduate aptitude. It will be including the aptitude part section and it will be of 15 marks. And the second paper is chemistry paper. It will be of 25 marks. Okay. Now there will be approximately 5 number of optional paper. You have to choose only two optional paper, okay, according to your preference. If you are from food technology domain, then you should to choose, I think, food technology, biochemistry, zoology, okay. Between these three optional paper you have to choose at least two optional paper, okay. Then if you are from food technology domain, then food technology will be the first optional paper and you should to go with biochemistry, I think so, okay. And the negative marking, for 1 marks question there will be 1 by 3 negative marking, and for 2 marks question there will be 2 by 3 negative marking. There will be the multiple selective type question also coming in the entrance exam, and there will be the numerical answer type question also will be in the question paper. So in such type of question like MSQ and numerical answer type question, there will be no negative marking, okay. The time allotted for the examination is 3 hours and the maximum marks is 100, okay, and it is totally computer based test. Now we are going to move on the general aptitude section and the syllabus, okay. Now there will be the first syllabus is verbal aptitude. It will be including basic English grammar, tenses, articles, adjective, prepositions, conjunction, verb, noun, agreement, and other part of a speech, and basic vocabulary including word, items, and phrases in context, reading and comprehension, and narrative sequencing. Now the second part is quantitative aptitude, okay. It will be including data interpretation, okay, numerical computation and estimation, mensuration, geometry, elementary statistics, and probability. And the third one is analytical aptitude, okay. It will be including logic and numerical relation and reasoning. Now the new thing that will be added to the gate examination, that will be a special aptitude, okay. And the syllabus coming under the special aptitude is transformation of shapes, okay, and paper folding, cutting, and pattern in 2 and 3 dimension, okay. And the type of question coming under the aptitude section is like that, okay. You will be easily saw the question paper, the pattern of question paper, and this is the verbal aptitude type question, okay. Now this will be the quantitative aptitude type question here, like pie chart. There will be the pie chart, okay. Now moving to the next part, this question is a type of analytical aptitude, okay. So such type of question that will be coming in the gate examination paper, okay. This will be the rotationary image, like chiral and achiral image formation, okay. So now moving to the next part, that is biochemistry. Now the second compulsory paper is chemistry, okay, and the total portion of syllabus is from the class 11th and 12th, okay, according to the Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE curriculum, okay. Now there will be the syllabus under the chemistry is the section 1 is atomic structure and periodicity, section 2 is structure and bonding, okay, section 3 is SP and D block elements, section 4 is chemical equilibria, okay. Now the section 5 is electrochemistry, section 6 is reaction kinetics, and section 7 is thermodynamics, and section 8 is structure, reactivity, correlation, and organic reaction mechanisms. Section 9 is chemistry of biomolecules, okay. Now moving to the third part of syllabus, that is biochemistry, okay. So this is the syllabus of biochemistry and the code is XLQ. The section 1, that is the that will be including organization of life, importance of water, structure and function of biomolecules, amino acids, carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, nucleic acids, protein structure, folding, misfolding and function, myoglobins, hemoglobins, lysozyme, ribonuclease A, and carboxypeptidase and chymotrypsin. Now the section 2 includes enzyme kinetics, regulation and inhibition, vitamins and coenzymes, bioenergetics and metabolism, generation and utilization of ATP, metabolic pathway and then regulation, glycolysis and TCA cycle, pentose phosphate pathway, oxidative phosphorylation, gluconeogenesis, glycogen and fatty acid metabolism. Okay, now the section 3 will be including biochemical separation technique. Okay, section 4 is including cell structure and organelles. Section 5 is including DNA replication, transcription and translation. Okay, now section 6 will be including immune system. Okay, so this will be the portion of biochemistry. Now moving to the next part, that will be the food technology. So this will be the overall syllabus of food technology. Okay, there will be four section. Okay, the first section is food chemistry and nutrition. Okay, and this section including carbohydrate, and under carbohydrate structure and function, property of mono, oligo and polysaccharides including starch, cellulose, pectic substances and dietary fibers, gelatinization and retrogradation of starch, protein including classification and structure of protein in food, biochemical changes in postmortem and tenderization of muscles, lipids including classification and structure of lipids, rancidity, polymerization and polymorphism, pigments including carotenoids, chlorophyll, anthocyanins, tannins and myoglobins, food flavor including terpenes, esters, aldehyde, ketones and quinines, enzymes including specificity, simple and inefficient kinetics, coenzyme, enzymatic and non-enzymatic browning, nutrition include balanced diet and essential amino acid, non-essential fatty acid, protein efficiency ratio, water soluble and fat soluble vitamins, a role of minerals in nutrition, cofactor, anti-nutrients, nutraceuticals, nutrient deficiency disease, and chemical and biochemical changes including changes occur in food during different processing. Okay, now the section 2 is food microbiology. Characteristic of microorganism including morphology of bacteria, yeast, mold and actinomycetes, spores and vegetative cells, gram staining, microbial growth including growth and death kinetics, serial dilution technique, food spoilage including spoilage microorganism in different food product including milk, fish, meat, egg, cereal and their product, toxins from microbes including pathogens and non-pathogen including staphylococcus, salmonella, cerebellae, escherichia, bacillus, clostridium and aspergillus genera, fermented food and beverage including curd, yogurt, cheese, pickles, soya sauce, sauerkraut, idli, dosa, vinegar, alcoholic beverages and sauces. Now the section 3 will be including food product technology. Under this section the various things will be coming. Okay, now it is processing principle, that will be including thermal processing, chilling, freezing, dehydration, addition of preservatives and food additives, irradiation, fermentation, hurdle technology, intermediate moisture food packaging and storage, packaging materials, aseptic packaging, control and modified atmosphere package, cereal processing and product. Okay, milling of rice, wheat, maize, paraboiling of paddy, bread, biscuit, extruded product and ready to eat breakfast cereals, oil processing including expelling, solvent extraction, refining and hydrogenation, fruit and vegetable processing including extraction, clarification, concentration and packaging of fruit juice, jam, jelly, marmalade, squash, candies, tomato sauce, ketchup and puree, potato chips, pickles. Okay, now plantation crop processing and product including tea, coffee, cocoa, spices, extraction of essential oil and oleoresins from spices. Milk and milk product processing include pasteurization, sterilization, cream, butter, ghee, ice cream, cheese, and milk powder. Processing of animal product including drying, canning, freezing of fish and meat. Production of egg powder. Waste utilization including pectin from fruits waste, uses of byproduct from rice milling, food standard and quality maintenance including FPO, PFA, egg mark, ISI, HACCP, food plant sanitation and cleaning in place, CIP. Now section 4 including food engineering. Under this section there will be so many things will be coming like mass and energy balance, momentum transfer, flow rate and pressure droplet relationship for Newtonian fluids flowing through pipe, Reynolds number, heat transfer including heat transfer by conduction, convection, radiation, heat exchanger. Now mass transfer including molecular diffusion and Fick's law, conduction and convective mass transfer, permeability through single and multi-layer films, Now, mechanical operation including size reduction of solids, high pressure, homogenization, filtration, centrifugation, settling, sieving, mixing, agitation of liquid, thermal operation, thermal sterilization, evaporation of liquid food, hot air drying of solids, spray and freeze drying, freezing and crystallization, mass transfer operation including psychometric, humidification and dehumidification operations. So this will be the overall syllabus in my point of view for the GATE Life Science syllabus, that will be very beneficial for the food technology students. If you are going to select a optional paper, then you should to go with biochemistry and food technology. This will be the best optional paper for food technology. Thank you very much.